So I wanted to do a quick video before I have to go to work, and yesterday I asked if you wanted a quick unboxing of my new suitcase that I got from Target, so that's what this video is gonna be. I love this suitcase. It's in sage green. They also had it in lavender, but this is just kind of more my speed. It also has these cool copper tone little zippers that have hearts on them. It says "Let's Go" on the front, and it has 360 wheels that spin. Of course, they spin a little bit easier on the hard floor than the carpet. But I wanted you to kind of see how big it is, like, against me. Main reason why I got this is just because I'm going to be doing a good amount of traveling soon, going to Tennessee for Christmas time, as well as just for Thanksgiving and stuff. But in the future, I want to travel more, like, out of state and on planes, and I never really had real luggage. A lot of my stuff was just kind of like duffel bags where I would borrow my parents' stuff. So I was just really excited to finally get my own luggage, and it's a good check on size. And it says here that it's 5 to 7 days average packing capacity. It's under 11 pounds. And yep, you have to get this checked, and it retails for $139.99. I got it for $119, I believe, on Target's website because they had a sale on it. So let's transition to opening this bad boy up. Okay, so I'm just gonna open it up for you guys, and it opens this way. So on this side, we have a few zippers, which I really enjoy because that way you can keep everything kind of compartmentalized. And you have one zipper here, which opens up to just an inside here, so you can put something like shoes or anything you want to kind of keep separate from your clothes can go in this part. Then you unzip this part, and you have this huge space to put clothes. I also noticed that there's these zippers that are kind of like here so that you can access like the hard part of the bag. I'm not 100% sure why those are there, because I don't know why you'd want to put something there. But I mean, if you guess you have to like replace the lining or something, that's what they must be there for. Anyway, they look cute. And it has like a cute, I don't know if this would be like a camo design or something else, but I mean, it's pretty girly. I like it. Moving along to this side, let me just kind of spin this around so it's easier to see. I don't have to like get up. You have one of those bungee straps to kind of keep your stuff from falling over. And you can obviously put clothes here, but you'd probably put something like a big jacket or blanket or something that's gonna cover the whole thing, and then strap this up. This can be detached, but let's see if I can figure it out. Yep. Okay, so that's how you detach it, put your stuff in. And this has, it looks like the same thing, where you have access to here. I guess if anything is an issue, you can do that. And you also have this cute little pouch here, which I thought was nice for maybe like jewelry or like other little things that might get tangled easily inside your stuff, or if you're someone who doesn't have like maybe a makeup bag to put all of your like toiletries in, maybe you could put them here and have your makeup separate. Either way, I thought it was cool that they had these little different compartments to just keep your stuff organized, and I feel like it's pretty spacious. All right, so the other thing I wanted to kind of show is the handle. I feel like this should be a little bit longer. I don't know if this is like an anti-tip thing, but this is as far as I can get it up. And I mean, it could be for anti-tipping because I have my laptop bag like tip over at least once a week every time I go to the office. So I can understand why they might want this shorter, because it would just, you would get a better handle on something that's so like bulky. However, I just feel like it should be longer, you know what I mean? The other thing that I noticed that I'm not going to make a big fuss about is that when I got it from Target, it did have like some imperfections like this. However, it's a suitcase. It's made to be thrown around. It's hard, made to be thrown around so that your stuff stays protected on the inside, and it's pretty much like waterproof for that matter. I really like this. I thought it was a good price for $119. Hopefully I don't go and see it go even lower on Black Friday. But even if that happens, I don't think I'll be too mad because they didn't have this color in my store, and I definitely wanted this over the lavender color. I'm gonna leave a link down below in case you wanted to check this one out on Target's website. and it's the DesignLoveFest 28-inch spinner suitcase from their travel collection. They have a carry-on sized one that's about yay high, and it's a little bit more inexpensive compared to this one, as well as like duffel bags and just random, you know, overnight bags that fit like the same, you know, style with the inside and the outside. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and just let me know what you want to see next in the comments below. This was something that was requested off of Instagram, so you can let me know there as well. I stopped making vlogs because I noticed you guys didn't really want those on Instagram, so if this is more of what you like to see, is very quick unboxings or reviews, let me know and I'll make more of them. Alright, see you guys next time. Bye!